Welcome to PIGSO Learning. So I am having a geometry over here and I want to make this simple geometry like this. Okay, so for this purpose we have got match command. The equivalent command for match command is MA enter. Okay, and match command has come and now it is asking me to select the source object. Okay, so this is the source object, this red one. Okay, this dotted line, and I will select it and I will click wherever I want it. Okay, so this is done. Now next one is I will be taking match properties command again, that is MA enter, and I will match this circle into this one. Okay, and same way you can match it with all the properties wherever you want. Okay, so I will match it this way. I will match this object and then the destination object. Okay, and next again I will take match property. Okay, so with this you can match the type of line, color, or anything you want. Okay, so we are having these two text on our screen. I want to convert this text into this one. Okay, or I will convert it into this one. So I will do match property MA enter. I will select this text and then I will enter into it, and see the text has been changed. So this is all about match command. Thank you so much.